At the dawn of the 20th century, America moved at a measured pace. Horses pulled wagons over uneven dirt roads, and long journeys required days, sometimes weeks. Distance was not just physical, it shaped opportunity, work, and daily life. Railroads connected major cities and industrial centers, but only along rigid steel lines. Beyond those tracks, rural America remained isolated. Automobiles existed, but they were fragile, expensive machines built for the wealthy, not for the working class. For most Americans, freedom of movement was limited by both class and geography. Where you were born often determined how far you could travel, where you could work, and what future was possible. Henry Ford challenged that reality. He believed transportation should be practical, reliable, and affordable. His goal was not to build a luxury car, but a machine strong enough for rough roads and simple enough for anyone to maintain. In 1908, that belief took physical form in the Model T. It was plain in appearance, but revolutionary in purpose. A car designed for farmers, factory workers, and families who had never imagined owning one. To make the Model T affordable, Ford transformed manufacturing itself. In 1913, the moving assembly line reorganized labor, breaking production into small, repeatable tasks. The car moved forward while workers remained in place. Production time fell from more than 12 hours to less than 2. Costs dropped sharply, wages increased. For the first time, factory workers could afford the very cars they built. When Henry Ford said, "Any color as long as it's black," it was a decision driven by efficiency. Black paint dried faster than any other, allowing vehicles to be produced more quickly and sold at lower prices to a growing market. The Model T spread rapidly across the nation, reaching rural communities that had long been disconnected. Farmers traveled farther to sell their goods, doctors reached patients faster, and families gained access to towns, schools, and jobs. As car ownership grew, America began to change. Roads were built, businesses expanded, and new industries emerged. Mobility reshaped the economy and helped create a stable, independent middle class. By the time production ended in 1927, more than 15 million Model Ts had been built. The Model T did not merely change transportation, it reshaped American society and established the blueprint for modern mass production.